All right, well, I guess you see what we're going to be looking at today. We got the new SIG Romeo-MSR. It does not say MSR on the front there, but it does here, Romeo-MSR Gen 2. So this is the second gen. Pretty new. It is the green dot instead of the red. It does come with the mount. And we're just going to do a quick unboxing video here and show you what's in. Now, I will say the box is pretty nice. I know it doesn't matter because it's just a box, but it seems like a nice little box. Okay. So we got the manual here. Got a little cleaning cloth. There's the tool for the Torx. That's a Torx bit. That's for the mount. And then there's the sight. I'm going to put that box over there. Excuse me. I got this here just to kind of contrast it a little bit better than that black mat. There it is. SIG MSR Gen 2. Comes with a little cap cover there. On and off pretty easy. As you can see, it comes with the mount. Just letting you look at it. There's the Torx bit. And you can see there is 4 bolts holding the dot sight onto this mount. And then you have the one Torx where you can mount it onto your firearm. Seems pretty sturdy. Looks pretty good. You can see there the greenish tint. This is the green dot. I'm going to turn it on just to see if you can see the dot, but it's not going to look right through the camera. But it's on. So you got off, 2 night vision settings there, and then it rolls all the way up to 12, and then another off. So whichever setting you want it to be closer to, since it has the rotary dial there, if you use 10, 9, 8, whatever a lot, you can put it that off. That way you can just turn it to it pretty easy. And then if you have it on that off, pretty easy to go to the night vision or to any of the lower numbers with 1 twist, and then with 2 twists you can get all the way through. This one does have the rotary dial, unlike the Romeo 5 with the buttons. Some people like the buttons, some people like the dial. It is nice to be able just to look at it and see, and it's pretty easy to turn it on and off. The one thing this does not have is the shake awake like the Romeo 5. But some people don't want the shake awake. They want to be able just to turn the sight on and leave it on. Trying to focus here. As you can see here, that's recessed there. And I believe this one has 1 MOA adjustments. And the side's the same way. I mean, it's pretty slimline. I know you got the knob right there, but it's even pretty recessed in there. Those are recessed. It's pretty slimline that way. I don't feel any just rough edges or anything to catch on it. 20mm objective lens there. Clear, no colored hue through the lens or anything. So just some first impressions there and the unboxing of it. But there it is, the SIG Romeo-MSR Gen 2. Thanks for watching.